our chapter activities. We really appreciate it. I'm going to talk about the Easter Bunny Toy Run. It's on Saturday, March 31st. That's the Saturday before Easter. Pre-registration will be on Friday evening, March 30th from 5 to 7. We need volunteers for setup on Friday afternoon and registration and grilling on Friday evening. We also need volunteers on Saturday morning for registrations, 6 bins parking, hospital parking, and serving lunch after the ride. This is our biggest chapter event. We do need your help to make this event great. I've taken the volunteer forms and I give one to each of the officers here, so save some confusion after the meeting, everybody bunching up in one spot. We do need your help, so please sign up to volunteer after the meeting. Okay, Bernie Summers, do you have anything for us?
Yeah.
Yes.
Make something up.
He's walking.
Okay, he's here. That's a big deal, man. All right. Okay, Bernie's had quite a bout here this last year, so we're glad to have him with us. Mary Pasapi, our secretary, do you have anything for us?
Nope.
All right, I like this. All right, Larry, can you follow that?
Nope.
Larry always has something.
Gotta have something. We got some trophies due out from our mini golf from last month. Not sure if everybody's here, but we're going to start first with the Women's Broken Club Award. That means that they had a little too many strokes compared to everyone else. She's here, Diane Greco. Is Diane here? No? Alrighty. And then the Men's Broken Club Award was Don Kaide. They must have known the awards were coming out.
He's a transient.
Alright.
Oh, he is.
And I don't think she's here. The women's low score was Kim Hall, Dennis's wife. I haven't seen either one of them. And our men's low score was Ralph DeVito.
All right.
My wife will
Take a picture.
Yes.
Tiger Woods, look at it.
I got one over here too.
That's it, all right.
Don't go too far, Ralph.